Hello classmates, I'm coming to you through my vlog about the Diffusion and Osmosis lab. I'm coming to bring you some findings, and I look forward to hearing your findings as well. Enjoy my video.
What was your hypothesis?
My hypothesis was if the results of my experiment are that only iodine molecules pass through the bag, then only the inside of the bag will turn to a purple and blackish blue color.
Why did the cornstarch change colors? Did this support or reject your hypothesis?
The cornstarch changed colors due to the process of diffusion. And yes, this supported my hypothesis because the only location that I found the blackish to purple color was inside the bag, which was where the starch was located, and that's what was in my hypothesis.
Define permeability. Which substance is the bag permeable?
Permeability means the state of a material. In our case was the sandwich bag that causes it to allow liquids or gases to pass through. The plastic bag was permeable to the iodine because the iodine was able to pass through into the bag, which the starch was not, so that the plastic bag was permeable to the iodine.
Why didn't the starch enter the beaker?
The starch did not enter the beaker because it was too big of a substance to be able to pass through the bag.
How is the bag like the membrane of a cell?
The bag and membrane of a cell are similar because they both have tiny holes in which they allow some substances to pass through and some do not. So like the iodine was able to pass through the bag.
What was your hypothesis?
My hypothesis was if an egg is placed into any liquid of any kind, that the egg would swell in size as a result of osmosis.
Discuss your result and explain why the volumes were different in the different liquids. Was your hypothesis supported?
Okay. Well, first, I placed the egg in vinegar for 24 hours, and with this, the egg lost its outer shell. But there was not much change in the size of the egg. The second day, I placed the egg in corn syrup for 24 hours, and with this, the egg shrunk in size and became wrinkly. And then the last day, I placed the egg in water, and with this, the egg actually grew in size. This actually did not support my hypothesis because I had predicted that the egg would grow in any type of liquid that I put it in, which that did not. So it had different results in the different liquids.
When the egg was placed in vinegar, which direction did the water move? Explain your evidence.
When placed in the vinegar, the water molecules moved in and out of the egg at an equal pace. The evidence supporting this was due to the fact that the egg stayed the same size when it was in the vinegar.
What was the result of the volume of liquid remaining in the syrup beaker? Why did this happen?
The volume of the liquid in the syrup beaker actually increased by about 20 milliliters. This was due to the fact that water molecules moved out of the egg by osmosis.
In what direction did the water move in the water beaker?
In the last beaker, which was the beaker full of the water moved into the egg, which is what resulted in the egg growing in size.